Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GMC Denali Canyon. This one's blue. Underneath it is a 3.6 V6 with 302 horsepower and 275 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels, running boards, Denali badging on the side, black leather interior, bed cover, Canyon Denali GMC badging, trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, automatic car starter, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, automatic transmission, wireless charging. This GMC Denali has 29,461 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GMC Denali Canyon, visit us at feldmanimports.com.